Hey boys and girls, today we're going to read Me and My Place in Space. And that is the title of our story. So if you'll read it with me, Me and My Place in Space. And if you look at this front cover, what do you see right here? This kid looks like they're dressed like a what? Like an astronaut. Say astronaut with me. Astronaut. What letter does that start with? The letter A, astronaut, okay? Me and My Place in Space. All right, guys, this is called the what page? What? The title page. Me and My Place in Space. This is me. In my place in space, this is the planet Earth. And we all live on the planet Earth. Tonight, I can see the moon from my place in space. The moon is a ball of rock that travels in a path around the Earth, just like the Earth travels in a path around the sun. See up there, you can see Earth? The sun is really a fiery star as big as 1,000,000 Earths, so bright and so hot it lights and heats the whole solar system. And if you look right there, guys, that's our solar system. And that bright yellow ball is the sun. And these are all the planets that orbit or go around the sun. This solar system includes different planets, including Earth that travels around and around the sun. Around and around. On Mercury, the planet closest to the sun, days are burning hot and nights are icy cold. The sun comes up in the west on Venus. Its gleaming cloud cover makes it the brightest planet of them all. So first we have Mercury and then Venus. Oh, look. My place in space, the beautiful Earth, is the third planet closest to the sun and the only one in our solar system with living things that grow. Okay, so he's got a big paper with all the things that grow or living things on our Earth. We're the only planet that has living things. Long ago, there may have been life on Mars, but now Mars is rusty, dusty, and cold. So we did Mercury, Venus, Earth, and then Mars. And look at that cat. That silly cat's an astronaut too. Jupiter is a massive ball of gas, bigger than all the other planets combined. So if you put all the other planets together, this planet's even bigger. That's pretty big. Saturn's wide rings are made of ice particles, some big as houses. So it's got these pieces of ice that are as big as houses. Can you imagine? On Uranus, it never gets warm, even though the sun shines 42 years in a row. Wow, look at that. Never gets warm. So it's always what? Cold. Neptune looks like a blue twin of Uranus. Its great dark spot is a giant cyclone where wind blows at 700 miles an hour. That's really fast. That wind would knock you right down. And Pluto is an ice ball so far away, the sun is like a dot in the distance. So if you were on Pluto, you wouldn't even be able to see that sun. It's so far away. But as big as our solar system is, it is only one tiny part of the Milky Way, which is an immense galaxy made up of hundreds of billions of stars. some with solar systems of their own. It says, look, our solar system is here. X marks the spot. And the Milky Way is only one of the many, many galaxies in the universe. So many, you might run out of numbers to count them. And the universe is so gigantic, you could travel for trillions of years and never get to the other side. Wow, look at that. Wow. Sometimes I wonder, way out in space, is there another galaxy like mine? Do you ever wonder that? You look up at the moon and the stars. Another solar system like mine? Remember, this is our solar system? Another sun like mine? Or another planet like Earth? With someone else like me? Look at that, someone else. That looks like an alien. Could be. We don't know. And that's the end, guys. It says words to learn about space. It's got the word galaxy. Can you say galaxy? A galaxy is a group of many stars. The Milky Way, there's also a candy bar, but this is the Milky Way, is the galaxy of which our solar system is a part of. So we're a part of the Milky Way galaxy. A moon is a ball of rock that moves around a planet. A planet is a ball of rock or gas that moves around a star. The solar system is the sun plus the planets that move around it. A star is an enormous ball of burning gas. And the sun is a star that is at the center of a solar system. And the universe is everything that exists in space. And that's the end, boys and girls. Look at some of these space pictures. I hope you enjoyed this story, and I'll see you soon.